ये क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है और हम इस क्वेश्चन को देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन इज इफ ऑल द वर्ड्स विथ आर विदाउट मीनिंग मेड यूजिंग all the letters of the word Kanpur. Okay, so word is given, that is Kanpur. Kanpur. Okay, so let's write in alphabetical order. So first A will come, after A after A, and then K will come, and then N, R, of P. We have a side P, and last is going to be U. Okay, so A, K. I think this is the right order. Okay, so A. Okay, so this is the right order. Now the question is that arranged as a dictionary, then what the word at 14th position in this arrangement. Okay, so we have to find that which words will be at the 14th position. Okay, so let's do that first. So you have to keep in mind that first what you can do, all the words start from A and then K and then from N and then from P and then from R and at the end from U. Okay, so suppose that I am saying A is fixed. A is fixed. Okay, and in dictionary first of all the words start from A. Okay, and then K and then N then P then R then U. So five letters are remained here. Okay, these can just keep on interchanging to each other, so you can arrange these five letters by 5 factorial way, which means 120. Similar things, K will come here. Okay, K will come here, and then you can fix A, N, P, R, U, and this can be also managed by 5 factorial, which is 120. Okay, now after K what will come? N will come. Okay, and you can write A, K, P, R, U, and this can also arrange by 5 factorial way, which means 120. And if you add this you will get 360, and which is not near to 440. Okay, now if you add other 120, suppose in now you write P and remaining 5 letters, so 120. Okay, and if you add all these 120, what you will get? 480. So that is more than 440. Okay, so what you can do in this case, let's talk. This is NAK. So after N what you will take the N, and after N what will come? P will come. Okay, so P will come. Let's write the P, and P, A, K, N, R, U. Okay, and if you fix the P, if you fix the P, this is and you can manage arrange these remaining 5 letters by 5 factorial way. Okay, and that's going to be more than 440. Okay, so what you can do, let's fix these two letters, and if you fix these two letters, then these remaining 4 letters can be arranged by 4 factorial, which means 24. In the similar way, let's suppose fix other two letters P, and after P A, and after A what will come? K will come. So P and K, these two are fixed, and you will get A, N, R, U, and this is going to be done by 4 factorial ways. Okay, in the similar way you can fix P and N also. Okay, and you will get A, K, R, U, and this can be done also 4 factorial way, which means 24. Okay, so if you add these three, what you will get? You will get 360, and if you add these three, what you will get? 72. Okay, and actually we want 360. Okay, and we want to get 4 14th positions, which words is there, so we have to add here 360 is there, so we have to add 80 in this. Okay, and for that you have to add 8 here. So what you can do, p and n. Now after p and n, what you will get, I'm writing in this side. So after p, so in after p, you, what you can do, you can do one thing, and that is, so let's write p, okay, so p and not n. What will come after n? After n, I think, this is p. Okay, this is p. P A P K P N, and now will come P R. Okay, P R. I hope it is clear to you. P R, and remaining is going to be just like A K N U. Okay. Now suppose you are fixing these two, and you fix these two, then you can arrange all these things in 4 factorial way, and if you add 4 factorial, it's again going to be 24. Now what we have to do, we have to add only 4, only 8, only 8. So let's fix these 3, and when you fix these 3, and you can arrange these remaining words in 3 factorial way. 3 factorial way means it is going to be 6. Okay, so P R A K are now 4 letter going to fix, and you will get n and u. Okay, and you will get, this is going to be what, this is going to be the seventh one. Add one, and p r a k is 4 letters, and just interchange these to u and n, it is going to be again 1. Okay, you have changed. So if you add all these things, you will get 480. Okay, so p r a k u n, this is going to be the words at the 480 position. Okay, so I think that it is clear to you. I think there is some mistake in between p and r. This is p and this is r. K is here. Okay, I think that's going to be not right. This is a, so this is already done in 3. So p r a, I think the remaining thing is fine. So p r a p n, p k p n and p r. Okay, so p r a and 3 factorial. Okay, this is finished. So yes, the little mistake, this is pra. Okay, and we have managed this in 3 factorial way. So now a is finished. Now you have write prk here. So prk and a here. Okay, and nu. So prk a. Now remaining is going to be p r k a u n. Okay, p r k a u n. This is going to be the right answer of this. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so in this way, first you have to fix the one letter, then two, and then three, and then four, like this. You have to go ahead and find the answer. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Now let's go for the next question. Okay, and next question is, okay, let's see this question. This question is also really very good question, and this is the question of J-main. Okay, so let's solve this question one by one. Okay, so let's say start solving this question. And question is saying that line L1 of slope 2 and line L2 of slope 1 by 2 intersect at origin. Okay, let's make the graph of this line first. L1 of slope 2 and L2 of slope 1 by 2 intersect at origin. So you can make the graph straight line like this and this. Okay, and equation of this line is y is equal to 2x, and equation of this line is y is equal to x by 2. Okay, and this is the L1 and this line is the L2. Okay, now in the first quadrant, P1, P2, P2, P3, P12 are the points on line L1. Okay, suppose that I am choosing these points. This is P1, P2. I am writing here P1, P2, P3, and in this way you can write P12 also. Okay, P12, and in line L2, this point is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and Q12, Q9. Okay, so there are 12 points, and in this line there are 9 points. Okay, then the total number of triangle that can be formed having vertices at 3 of the 22 points. Okay, so there are 12 points, and this is the 9 points. Okay, 9 points, and this is the origin also intersecting at this point also. Okay, so all these things, how many triangle we can make, we have to find the number of that. As you know that if you want to make a triangle, we need 3 points. Okay, and these 3 points should not be linear, should not be in collinear. Okay, if these 3 points are collinear, then we cannot make triangle. Okay, with the help of these three we cannot make triangle, but with the help of these 3 points we can make the triangle. So we have to use this concept here. Keep in mind that these points are linear and these points are linear. Okay, so one thing you can do, and the thing is that suppose you have these 2 points. Okay, you have these 2 points, so any 2 points you can choose from the line L1, and any one point you can choose from the line L2. Suppose I am choosing this point and this point and making this, so I am making this triangle. Or it can be possible I can choose any 2 points from line L2 and one point from line L1, and in this way I can make a triangle. Okay, so what I can do, let's write that first. So there are 12 points in line L1, so from line L1 I can choose any 2 points, and one points from line L1 I am choosing any 2 points, and from line L2 I can choose any one point 9C1. Plus other possibility is that from this line L1 I can choose only one point, then I have to choose 2 points from this line L2 9C2 plus. Okay, and now what are the other possibility? As you know that now we have taken this point and this point. Okay, we have not taken this point. So what you think, what we can do? So one thing that that you can think that any point we can take from line L1, and any point we can take from line L2 and this origin. Okay, so from line L1 we can take the point like 12C1 multiply by, from line L2 9C1. Okay, and what about this origin? There is only one way of choosing it, multiply by 1. Okay, let's solve it and get the answer. So I think the concept is clear. If you can understand this why we are doing this, then if concept is clear, then it can be really easily solved. Okay, let's solve it. So 12 factorial by 2 factorial and 10 factorial, and 9C1 is going to be 9 plus 12 factorial divided by 11 factorial and 1 factorial. Okay, that is 1. 9C2 is, oh I did mistake, just little mistake. Okay, so this is going to be what, 12C1, and 12C1 is going to be 12C1 is going to be your 12C1 is going to be 12 multiplied by 9 C2 9 factorial divide by 2 factorial and 7 factorial plus 12 multiplied by this 9 and then 1. Okay, now let's do it. So 12 multiplied by 11 and multiply by 10 factorial and 10 factorial get cancelled and 9 by 2 plus 12 2 and it's going to be 6 multiply by 9 multiply by 8. Okay, 7 factorial get cancelled and it is going to be 12 9s are 108. Okay, so this is going to be 2 6 ja, so multiply by 9 plus 6 multiply by 72 plus 108. Okay, so these things you can do here and it is going to be, and if you add you will get 1134. Okay, 1134 are the number of the triangles. Okay, so let's understand it. So I'll solve it, and if you have any question you can ask me, but please keep in mind that understand this question and if possible try to solve again from your side. Okay, it's going to be really good for you, and we will be continue solving the question of GI level. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Okay.